All right, let's dive in this first video. We're going to talk about the career path of a recruiter. We're going to use this as an introductory video to cover the basics. What does a recruiter do? Why are recruiters important? Why are they important to the companies they work with? And why might you want to be a recruiter if you're considering this career path, which is an awesome career path, by the way? Why might you want to, what are some things that you want to keep in mind and think about as you explore this? So let's jump in here. We're going to start at the top and start with, what do recruiters do? What do recruiters do? And let's just break down the fundamentals here. What is a recruiter actually doing in that? What a recruiter, fundamentally, what they're trying to do is to get someone to join an organization. That's it, right? Get someone to join an organization. Where do we see recruiters? Well, typically we'll see recruiters in the military. See them trying to, enlist, recruit new folks to join the armed forces. We'll see recruiters with sports teams. Sports teams, always looking to bring on the best talent to help them continue to win. And then we'll see them at colleges and universities. Colleges are always recruiting people to come and enroll in their college or university. And then we'll see them with companies. We'll see them with companies as well. And this is what we're going to spend the bulk of this series of videos talking about, is recruiters at companies, right? Recruiters that are hiring to fill new open roles at a company. All right, so let's look at an example here with a company specifically. And let's imagine that you are a recruiter that works for company A. You work for company A. And company A is a large, fast-growing company that's hiring lots of people. And your job as the recruiter is to help them continue to hire the people that they need. This is you're the recruiter. And your first question is probably, well, who does company A need, right? Who do I want to get to join this organization? And it all really depends on what company A is trying to do this year. But let's assume, like any company A is trying to do a couple things. They're trying to sell more product. They're trying to grow their revenue, right? They're going to bring on more. They're going to bring in more sales. So to do that, they're going to need some salespeople. If they want to grow, they're going to need to bring on some more salespeople to help them do that. So they're going to hire salespeople. They're also trying to they need to build more product so that those salespeople have something to sell, continue to build out new and better product. And then lastly, they're going to need to support all of those new customers that the salespeople are selling. So you're going to bring on some support people. And these would be the new hires that company A is trying to bring on. And what we'll call these are open roles this year, open roles that company A has. So these are the open roles that company A has this year. And your job as a recruiter is to go out into the market. You're going to help company A go out in the market and find people that can do these jobs. And we need to find people that can do these jobs because we can't just bring on, any random person into the organization. We need someone that can actually sell, right? We need salespeople, or we need product people that can build product, or support people to support our customers. So we're going to call these qualified people. These are qualified people. They're qualified to do the job that we need them to do. They have the skills, the traits, the characteristics that we're looking for. So we, as a recruiter, our job is to go out in the market, find these qualified people, and bring them back to join company A. And we're going to spend a lot of time in some other videos looking at this exact process here. How do we define who we're looking for? How do we go out in the market and find these qualified people? How do we bring them back to company A to join our company? How do we recruit them to join our company? But for now, let's talk about, why is this so important? Why is this whole process of going out and recruiting people and bringing them back to our company, why is this so critically important for the company, right? So why are recruiters important? Well, by filling open roles within the company, you're directly helping the company grow, grow or achieve desired results. And as a recruiter, you're having a direct impact on how quickly the company can grow, how quickly the company and successfully the company can achieve these desired results, because you are directly impacting the people that the company brings on. So the company's trying to grow really quickly this year and bring on more salespeople. The recruiter is going to have a direct hand in helping that become a reality. So that's why it's so critically important that a company has amazing recruiters on its team, is because a company is really just made up of a bunch of individual people working towards a common goal. So critical, such a critical role here that recruiters are playing within a company. So that's why recruiters are so important at the company level. Now let's look at why you should be a recruiter. So to start off, recruiters can make a huge impact on both the company that they're working with, so the company and the people that they work with on a day-to-day basis. And this is really, the best recruiters out there, they really embody this, or they really, resonate. This really resonates with them, is the impact that they can make on a day-to-day basis. If you think about the role of a recruiter, again, you're helping this ever growing company to continue to achieve at the highest level possible. And on a day to day basis, you're working with new people that are trying to find, their passion in life, or their next job that's going to set them up for success, or, the next job is going to help them make more money. So the best recruiters out there really feel this connection with both the company they're working for and the people that they're trying to help get new jobs. And you can just make such an incredible impact in this role that is really, really special. So that's number one, is the impact that you can make as a recruiter. Number two is the career growth in this role, because there's really so much you can do as a recruiter. You can continue to grow in the recruiter track and rise up the ranks. You can become a manager, a team leader of the recruiters. You can also branch off into so many other career paths. You're learning some fundamental skills that will serve you well, whether you go into sales, or whether you go into HR, or whether you go into customer success. There's really so many different pathways that you can take. So a lot of career growth is a great place to start off your career as a recruiter, that is. And then the third one is going to be, it's interesting, right? It's a really interesting job because every day is unique. You're working with a company that's always growing, always changing. There's a lot of new stuff happening. And then new people. Every single day you're having new conversations with new people, and helping them, find their next role. And then number 4 is going to be high earning potential. High earning potential. And this is really important for a lot of people. How much money can you make in a job? And what's great about the recruiter path is even from the very beginning, starting off entry level in this career or early career, you can make a lot of money. And then over time, you can continue to make even more. So a lot of high earning potential in this career path. All right, so that is the overview here on, what do recruiters do, why are recruiters important, and why should you be a recruiter. In the next video, what we're gonna do is dive deeper into the recruiting process and take a little bit of a closer look at how recruiters actually get someone to join an organization.